Hi guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can able to withdraw your money from Palmfy Live step by step. I posted this video yesterday, as you can see on my screen, and I get a lot of DM on my Palmfy Live. Once you registered with my referral code, the app is going to send you an automatic message that this is the person that invited you, and after that I get a lot of messages. Wait, how can I withdraw my money? How can I redeem my point? Where can I see my withdraw option? Okay, a lot of people are asking me, how can I do my tax? How can I do my tax? Okay, if you have watched the video very well, I tell you guys that this app is not a tax app. As you can see, the diamond that is on these people's head, this diamond is people that is gifting them. Okay, if you watch that video, you notice that I advise you to go live, dress yourself very well, interact with people, gist with people. Okay, because once you are gisting with people, viewers start increasing on your life, and the more the viewers increase on your life, when you're interacting with people, is the more you're going to be receiving income on Palmfy. Okay, so I explained everything on that video I posted. If you have not watched it, you can actually go ahead and watch it and know how you can able to sign up on the app. Okay, so maybe you are watching this one and you have not watched the one I posted before. So that is the reason why I wanted to make this video, to tell you how you can able to go about it by withdrawing your money. Once you reach the minimum of withdrawing on Palmfy, because the minimum of the withdrawing is $25. For those of you that's asking me how much is the minimum of their withdrawing, the minimum of withdrawing is $25. Okay, once you reach $25, the withdraw option, that is your payment method, will show up, which I'm going to be showing you right now. Okay, without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go ahead and click on this cup. As you can see, that's let me click, let me show you something. As these people are people that is receiving diamond on Palmfy, people that has so much gift that once you go live here and you know what you are doing as a girl. If you're a man and you know how to play music, how to do DJ, this app is okay. Okay, so but if you're a lady, you dress well, go, there is no way you will go live here, gisting with audience, interacting with people, like laughing with people, be friendly with people. You will not receive gifts from users. Okay, because the more you make people to be happy, the more they are going to gifting you here. Okay, this is not a tax app. Okay, without wasting much of your time, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you can able to withdraw on Palmfy. As you can see, streaming, following, coin, chat, and profile. I'm going to go ahead and click on streaming earnings. Okay, once I click on streaming earnings, it's gonna go ahead and bring me this place. This is where you're gonna be seeing the amount you earn on your live streaming. Okay, as you can see my own now, as you can see, 0.4 cents. Okay, so as you can see, cent and $3. Like one certain time I go live and I earn $3 on a live once. It depends on how you interact with people here on this platform. Okay, it's not on a tax app. I keep on saying, because of some people that may skip, because once you skip, you will not be able to know what I said. And when you download the app and go to the app, you started asking me, how can I pay for my tax? Guys, maybe wanna try and watch. Okay, maybe wanna try and watch video. It's not a tax app. I keep on saying this. Okay, it's not a tax app. It's a gifting app. Okay, as you can see, welcome gifters, special bonus rewarded for new users across public live streaming. As diamond from welcome users are not included in diamond target needed to achieve the monthly bonus. Okay, as you can see what they reach here, as you can see revenue. Revenue is the dollar sign you are seeing on the other side. Then you're gonna go and click on here. You can actually invite people and earn money. So if you already download the app, all you need to do for to start inviting your friends. Okay, start inviting your friends and you will earn um by inviting your friend here on the app. Okay, as you can see, this redeem cash now, this is where you're going to be withdrawing your money. As you can see, I have $5 on that app, and the minimum of the withdrawing is $25. Okay, the minimum of the withdrawing is $25. The payment method is Binance, Paynnor, and USDT, and local currency. Depend on your region, because different region with their own different. You're asking, why am I not seeing my payment method? Is because I have not complete my withdraw here, like $25. Once you reach $25, the payment option is going to appear like this. You will choose anyone you would like and redeem your cash here. Okay, so if you are from Togo, Cameroon, Uganda, Kenya, and you don't have Binance account, all you need to do is for you to go to my video. I posted how you can able to create Binance, a verified Binance account, download Binance account, and use it to be cashing out in different app. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you're my returning subscribers, I love you all. If you're just joining my page for the first time, thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.